As a board member or manager, one of the worst dangers you can help your association avoid is what we call reserves quicksand. So, what is reserves quicksand and how can you avoid it? Well, I'm glad you asked. Welcome to our Quicksand webinar, where we'll give you the latest insights to keep you and your association on a path to a safe and successful future.
Well, thank you, Paige, and to our audience today, hello and welcome. Often we prepare this type of reserve study content, these webinars, to help you understand what that document is and what it contains. But today we're focusing on you, the decision maker. We want to help you avoid the most common problems we see along the path to the future, which we're calling reserves quicksand. Over and over again, we see associations get mired in the same general problems. And we want to help you avoid repeating those same mistakes. So we're here today to help you avoid the quicksand we've seen so many other associations get stuck in. The decisions you make set your association up either for failure or success. So settle in, adjust your volume, and get ready to avoid the mistakes others are making. And to do this, today we've enlisted some outside expertise, as you heard Paige explain just a moment ago. We've got Julie Adaman from Adaman Inc., who with her management and consulting background is going to help set you up for success at your association. Well, this is the outline we'll be using for today's program, guiding you through an introduction, how to identify quicksand, then getting out of quicksand, avoiding quicksand in the future, and then bringing it all together in a summary. Avoiding reserves quicksand starts with knowing the hazards. Leading an association forward to the future is a journey. And since that future is uncertain, there's trouble along the way if you stray from the path. And with reserves, we're talking about every association's largest repair and replacement projects, the biggest opportunities you have to get it wrong. And while board members have the responsibility to deal with these problems, they regularly, unfortunately, have the least experience. There's nothing you can do to prevent these upcoming major repair and replacement projects. Mother Nature and Father Time see to it that everything is in a constant state of deterioration. So these big expenses are lurking, and many associations get stuck in the process of preparing for these big, inevitable, predictable projects. Well, I'm glad you came because we're going to help you today see and understand and avoid these classic reserve problems. Pretending they don't exist dooms many associations to getting stuck and unprepared. And remember, the board, with the Association of Management, has the task of leading the association safely into the future. And today, we're here to help. So, what are we trying to avoid? What are we trying to accomplish? In the next 35 minutes or so, we'll help you avoid costly deferred maintenance. We'll help you avoid home values that lag other homes in the market and possible safety problems. We'll help you get financially prepared to perform your reserve projects on time, which means avoiding special assessments, having a well-maintained property, higher owner enjoyment, and maximize property values. In this journey to the future, we'll sometimes make some comparisons to Dorothy on her journey to the Emerald City and the story about the Wizard of Oz. And you'll see us helping Dorothy stay on the yellow brick road on the way to her destination.
At Association Reserves, we make the present less stressful and the future more secure. If you want to join us in this mission, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see us address in a future video. Let's plan for your best future.